Kasi, tignan mo. Dito may push baby. Forest. Opo. Okay, push mo. Ganun. Yan.
Good job, sweetie. Folks, trying to make it up. Trying to make it up to Bingo's Bakery. Get me some fresh bread and maybe some chips, sweets for the babies. I'm already backed up here at Sawmill at the river because of that damn checkpoint up there. How many times I gotta complain about it? I guess it's useless. Useless to complain. It's just wasting everybody's fucking time. Alright, here's the entrance to Santa Monica subdivision. And get the Salome bar off to the port side of the aircraft. If you can see, there you go. There's the Salome bar. I could probably have got out and walked up to Bingo's Bakery faster than he can get through this checkpoint. Coming up on Bingo's Bakery, off to the starboard side of the aircraft. Alright folks, you got to come up here. Get the buns, 30 pesos. Man, those are fresh. Here's a hot dog buns. Maybe I'll get some hot dogs. And what we go with over here, the ube. Everybody loves the ube, but you know what? Since I'm buying, I'm going with the foreign guy stuff. I'm going with the cinnamon rolls. All right, now 60 each on the garlic toast. And me and Porch, we love this. I think Ray loves it too. Got to go with that. 60 on that. And let's see what kind of cakes they got. Ooh, got brownies, chocolate cake, mango tarts for 45 pesos each. And I picked up some of these chips. Folks, that's got walnuts in it, 125 pesos. Brownies with walnuts, that's coming with me. All right, 455 pesos is roughly $9 US worth of deliciousness. Pesos in that bag. All right, sweetie, how's that ice cream? Masarap? It's good, huh? Hey man, come down off that table, Butter. Or you can help your mom put your groceries away.
Yeah, you want this?
How's the ice cream, sweetie? Good job. Masarap? Okay, that's mango flavor. I thought you'd like the mango flavor, so Papa got your mango. Yep. Oh, that's the ube. I got one ube for Fatima, and I got the mango for the babies. And those kind of delicious. Brownies. We got walnuts in there. Cinnamon rolls for the babies. Now folks, I tried to hold them off because this is, for me, this is most scrumptious dessert for tonight after Fatima's famous fried chicken. This one right here will not stop until she gets one of these brownies. So I told Fatima, I said, look, one brownie each. Let me just show you that. Look at that. Here you go, Maria. Here. Fatima, you want one? Of course, she's a little sleepy. He's looking around like, that looks kind of scrumptious. Uh-oh, he's going after the cinnamon rolls. Try some of that brownie, son. Honey, I think he wants a cinnamon roll. Might as well give him a piece. Okay, so how is the brownie, everyone? Maria, masarap? Oh, yeah.
It's delicious. Di ba, Maria? Yeah? Fried chicken and French fries. French fries, carrot and French fries, potato.
Wait, so you're making carrot fries?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You said no.
I was thinking potatoes and onions. I didn't. That's okay. Fry them carrots.
Yeah, just try it.
French carrots. I noticed on the video that your dress is a little see-through today. You had a wardrobe malfunction. You gotta pay 20 pesos for that.
You're the one who paid me.
What you selling, sweetie? Good job, sweetie. I'm not sure that's how the books are supposed to be used, but
Here it comes. You want this?
Put a little hot sauce on the side, baby. On the side.
What?
On the side means not on the chicken, on the plate.
But I don't have plate.
Don't worry, I'll take it. Thank you, baby. It's so pretty today.
Maria! Maria! Gusto mong kumain? Hindi? Di ba?
Oh, this bamboo chair is turned into a rocker. It's about to give up the ghost. Folks, if you go to Johnny's shop and you buy the bamboo chairs that have these plastic ties around them, I don't know if you can see it. It's
This like this.
there. So those plastic ties right there. They stretch out over time, and then these things just become rickety. I mean, they're about to give out. You can take the ties and tighten them up or put new ties. Basically, you want to buy the furniture like over there that doesn't have the plastic ties around it, that is actually nailed together, glued together, or whatever it is. That shit is solid. But these ones with the little plastic ties holding them together, I mean, this thing could dump me in the floor right now at any moment. I don't recommend it. When somebody knows how to work with bamboo, they can tighten it up, but I'm not an expert on working with bamboo. Folks, check out what wife number one has prepared for the king. My goodness, my goodness. Baby, thank you very much for cooking this wonderful meal for me and my children tonight. You're an outstanding cook at fried chicken, French fries, and where's my fried onions?
It's here.
Get them over here, baby. They're hiding under there. Mmm. Delicious, folks. Absolutely delicious. Fried onions. Mmm.
Where's this wake up?
Outstanding flavor. You check out that chicken right there. I mean, that just, it's crispy on the outside, but it just pulls apart. Maria, what are we doing? CPR on the napkin over there? Come on, eat, sweetie. There you go. Get some of that chicken. Here. There you go, baby. That chicken is delicious. Huh? Masarap, huh? Now you got some chicken over here. She loves that chicken so much she's dancing. Little Caesar dressing here. Mm. Alright, here we go. Let me try your chicken on you. Let's see what we're working with. Mmm. That's delicious. Fatima's fried chicken. FFC. Fatima's fried chicken. We'll put KFC, Jollibee out of business. You can't beat her fries. I don't know what she does. I got to get some ketchup. That's why I'm using the Caesar dressing for the fries, but delicious. Mmm. So it's really good. If you take her chicken and make a chicken sandwich with that Bingo's bread, like a proper chicken sandwich with fries, it's better than anything you've ever had in any restaurant. When I was up there today, they had a big order sitting on the freezer, and I'm like, and it had sesame seeds on it. Usually they don't have those. She's like, no, that's a special order for a restaurant. So I don't know if a lot, sweetie. I don't know if a lot of restaurants order their bread from Bingo's, but great idea because you got the bread problem licked. People will come eat your hamburgers just because of the buns. Most of that. Mama Tima makes some good chicken, huh? I think so, baby.
Well, look.
Sweetie, you got your TikTok shorts on backwards. I was wondering what that was. She got her shorts on backwards. It's okay.
What's the one what the?
Well, maybe I helped her. Maybe I'm guilty. I don't know. Well, folks, I want to thank you for joining us on today's video. I'm going to eat. Probably conclude this for today. If you're not a subscriber, bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit that overstay road sign. Get on board our train. Sweetie, who taught you those dance skills? What do you do when your 3-year-old comes from her mother's house and all she wants to do is TikTok dancing? What do you do? Yeah, we went through some crying and some her being upset because I won't let her watch the TikTok stuff. But apparently that's all she does at her mother's house is TikTok with the other kids. No TikTok here, sweetie. You're too young for TikTok. She certainly didn't learn those dance moves from Fatima, because Fatima can't dance. Anybody will tell you that. Sweetie. Hey. My goodness. I think Mama Beth taught you that.